Sharperlight is a powerful reporting tool for Business Central. In this example, I show you how easy it is to build an ad hoc Aged Debtors report in Excel. Reference the query builder to the worksheet. This gives you control to adjust parameters on the fly. Select the table you wish to use. In this example, we select Customer Detailed Aging. From the selection pane, select and drag the Days Overdue field to the Filters pane and rename each filter to 30, 60, 90 and 120 days. The next step is to set the parameters for each age filter. This is flexible and can be configured to your requirements. Once the parameters are set, we will now drag the fields to the output pane. These are the fields we'd like to see on the worksheet. Repeat the process for each output and rename the fields to match the filters above. Next step is to right-click the output field, selecting options, binding each field to its respective filter. Once completed, preview the filter. This will display the customer numbers, names, and the days overdue. Once previewed and checked for errors, press OK to submit the query to the worksheet. This is now a live Aged Debtors report in Excel. The query is displayed in a native Excel table which allows you to add charts or graphs as needed. Changing the dates on the filters within the workbook will update the table live in Excel. This is how easy it is to create reports using Sharperlight. Inquire today to find out what makes Sharperlight the best value reporting toolset on the market.